Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Not a good day at all. I think we're getting ready to get a storm too. Wind's been blowing like 30 miles an hour up here, so hopefully this mic will work. But Breezy died today. My frame, I hope I can get this on camera. Let me get down here. That frame busted. She split in two back here. Now this was where someone added a plate and they cut that on an angle. That's bad. You can kind of see I'm trying to get, ain't much room in there, but I guess that was all the I-beam they had and they put a plate and tapered it, or maybe they cut it off, put that and tapered it. I don't know. But it broke. You can see it. I'm trying to get it where you can see it. Hopefully you can see that. But it broke in between the weld where the plate was at and the one at the back. Hang on folks, I'm trying to get in here. The one at the back and then right up against that. All that split and busted. And which this ain't a big deal, but it popped this out, which I just had two little old tacks on that to hold it in anyway. It was all the threads were stripped out, so kind of stuck a couple there, but it busted the frame plumb in two all the way across. So now I got to fix greasy, and the bad part, I just got that cylinder repacked. Now I can't use it. It's gonna be too long. Hopefully this wind, I'll be a little bit closer, so don't freak out at the close-up. I don't like doing them, but for the mic's sake. But what happened, this thing was pushing a big old piece of white oak. Didn't have no wires or nothing on it, but inside it had a big old knot. You couldn't see it. It went to pushing and it just pow, sounded like a gun went off and the wood went flying forward. Part of it just busted in two. And I thought, man, that was under a lot of strain to bust that. When I come back, this popped out. And then it dawned on me, the cylinder moved back. And then I come back here and look, it moved back because this actually split in two. The frame itself broke, the weld didn't. You can see it broke right in front of the weld for the clevis up there. Then it broke in between the plate weld at the front and the back. So whoever welded it did it right. It didn't break in the weld. The metal itself broke. So I can fix this. It just really sucks every time I come up here and try to do this stuff. But I think what I'll do, easiest way, I've got a short cylinder. If not, I'll order one, but I think I got one. I'm gonna cut that off, cut this I-beam off this axle, move it forward however much I need, and then I'll be past all this bad right in here, and just cut the I-beam off, weld me a plate, and I'm gonna put a box, some C-channel or something in here, and rebox this too for extra strength, and shorten it up basically, and just move everything forward. That's the easiest solution I got for this. So this sucked. This was a big letdown today. Got orders to fill and can't keep up, and that happened. I was going pretty good too. You can kind of see it there. I wasn't going along too bad, and Greasy give up the go-go. So she busted on us. She split in two. My splitter split on me. I split right there. But it's fixable. Like I said, that's a brand new cylinder now. I had it all repacked. I can't use it because it's going to be too long. Because I've got this right on the back. Like I said, I took the center. Anybody just tuning in, and then welded the wedge on, changed it, and just took the center with the cylinder and built everything around that. That was pre-made, and I built everything around it. But that's the only way I know to fix that. I'm going to have to cut it, shorten it, get a shorter cylinder, and then re-weld a new clevis and bring everything up. Or reuse the old one. I can probably cut it out, but it just really sucks. Reuse this. And like I said, this ain't a big deal. I just had a couple tacks in it because the threads were stripped clean out anyway. That way, if I ever had to, I could have went in there and got it off for that. So, but it never would have come off if it wouldn't have hit this stop plate. And it never would have hit the stop plate because I've used it a lot. Except for that broke and it moved the cylinder back further. That's when that popped off, I knew something was wrong, and I looked back and that was busted. So that's where I'm at. So stay tuned. I may or may not make a video of this. I'll try, but I'm in such behind may not record it because I'm behind. I'm trying to get everything done. So I'll try to record it if I got time, but I'm just going to shorten that up moving forward. Leave me your thoughts on that. You ever seen that happen? What would you do? Comment, tell me something. Need some good news, need something. It's kind of just not very good spirits right now when that busted. That just stopped it all for a few days. So this has got to go in the shop, which blows because I was really getting ready to fix some other stuff. So it just sucks. But anyway, I gotta give everybody an update. I'm gonna be down on the wood for a while. Old Greasy, she give it up. One more look, you can see. So I think it's easy. I'll just cut it, move the axle, move everything, recenter it, pull it forward, and put the shorter cylinder on it. That's a 30. I think I know I got a 16. That's a little bit too short. You know, I could leave an inch gap and have anything over 17 wouldn't fit. But I think I might order a 20. I think it'd still get away with that. I don't know. I might use this 16 too. Just leave a gap. I don't know. I'm gonna do something, but I gotta have a shorter cylinder to move forward. So right now it's just kind of like. Anyways, I guess that's it for the video. I'll give you an update. So leave me your thoughts, comments, whatever you think, good or bad, let me know. So I guess that's it for the video. So stay tuned and probably do some building on this. And I guess that's it. So as always, like and subscribe. I'll catch you on the next video. Bye.